Okay, friends, we get to make another double flap card today. However, this time you're going to not draw dots, you're going to draw pictures of some sort. Okay, so you're going to decide how many of something that you want to draw. I chose 7. Let's keep it under 10. Okay, we'll keep it under 10. But I'm choosing 7. And I'm choosing 7 because I was thinking of the night sky, and with all this smoke, I miss it. So do you know what I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw stars. Let's see. I am going to draw 6 stars on this side. Now I need to make 7, so how many stars do I need to draw on this side? Don't forget my line there. You're right, I need to draw 1 more. Okay, I'm going to get my handy dandy whiteboard because I'm going to make sure that I understand my equations for my double flap card. So on this side, I have 6, and I have 1 more, and that is equal to 7. Okay. Oh, by the way, pause it if you're still working on your drawings. Okay. All right. So if I turn this around, how many do I have here? Yep, I have 1 and 6, and together it makes 7. Okay. Now hold on, because remember, I have handy dandy fact family triangle right down on my paper. So on my paper, I'm going to do my family for my double flap card. On your paper, you're going to do your family for your double flap card. Okay. Remember up here, I was making 7. And on this side, I had 6. And on this side, I had 1. Okay. So there I go. Now I can help myself. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot my name. Mrs. Frank. Okay. All right. So thinking about my double flap card, I've already done my addition, right, for my fact family. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And remember how I turned it around? And I did 1 plus 6. And that equaled 7. So let's do my subtraction. How much did I start with, friends? I did. I started with 7 total, right? What if I take away this side? How many am I taking away? Yep, 1. What's left? Yep, 6. Okay, so go back to 7. And I'm going to take away this side. How many did I take away? I took away 6. What's left? Yep, it's 1. Now you do yours. Remember to pause the video if you need to catch up. Okay, this is the super duper fun part. This is my favorite. This is where I get to write a number story. And today I'm using stars. Remember my pictures were stars? You might have used dogs or cats or snakes or lizards, whatever you wanted to draw something of. I did stars because I missed them because of the smoke. So I'm going to write, I saw 6 stars. It might be easier for you guys to write in pencil I'm writing in marker so that you can see it, okay? I saw 6 stars. Then I saw 1 more star. Now I see 7 stars. Now I told a story, but you could ask a question. You could say, I saw 6 stars. Then I saw 1 more star. You could then say, how many stars did I see altogether? Right? Okay. There's some other ways that you can do that. I chose to write a story. Now it's your turn. And remember, when you're done, you can glue your double flap card right to your paper so you have it. So when you're thinking about fact families, you have it to remind your work. Have a good one.